Hello, I'm Colin Hickman. From Hoyland Plant Centre. I'm going to show you how to plant nerine bulbs. This is a collection of nerine bulbs which we do on our website, and now is the perfect time to plant your nerine bulbs ready for flowering this year. You can plant them in pots. This is a good sized pot here. You can even go into shallow alpine pots if you like, but I'll just do the standard. They will grow well in them, shallow rooted. Planting them is very easy. There's just a few basic steps you need to follow. A nice well drained growing media, we use 2 parts compost to 1 part grit or perlite. Dead easy. The quickest method I've found is fill the pot, make sure there's no lumps in there, fill the pot so it's near the top there, tap it down a couple of times to firm it down. And they only want to be very shallow nerines. You want the top third of the bulb, that nose of the bulb there where it flutes out, to be just proud of the soil. There's 6 in one of our collections which will be ideal for a pot that size. So all I tend to do is just with 2 fingers make an indentation, pop him in, just repeat the process, space them out evenly, a couple of inches apart is perfect. And then all I do is I just give each one a little firming, just to make sure he's perfect. And you can see there, look, you can see the snouts are poking through. The snouts are poking through there, and that's perfect. They'd stay happily in that pot and flower 3 or 4 years. When it reaches the point where it's a big mass of bulbs in there, you can split them down into little groups of bulbs and repeat the process.